Yamaha Grizzly 600, baby. We just picked this girl up and brought her back to perfect running order, and now I'm giving this beautiful beast away to one of you absolutely free. All you have to do to enter to win is be a subscriber to this channel, like this video, and comment down below, and that's it. The winner is going to be drawn at the end of this month.
We're still going to address the flat tire issue. Got to get some new rubber on this thing. Look how cracked that is. He's coming along, but still running like a top. I did rip it around a little bit before, and let me tell you guys, she is ripping like never before. It's like this thing is brand new. I mean, in my eyes, it practically is. 2,300 miles on this thing? You kidding me? All right, here it is, friends. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. Power in the world. I don't have any plan really. Oh yeah, by the way, my front brakes don't work at all. Just got my back. But that's all you really need, huh? That is full throttle right there. Can't quite get the wheelie. Not with these semi-bald tires. One thing I gotta do, actually, I got my, well, we'll rip around a little bit and then I'll do it, but if I didn't say already in this video, all you gotta do is be a subscriber to the channel and like and comment down below. That's all you gotta do to be entered to win. I'm gonna be drawing after this video, probably in the next week, maybe 2 weeks, I don't know, depends on how life goes. And we're gonna be giving this thing away. Another revival on the channel, giving it away for free. Now there used to be a trail. Ooh, pretty overgrown. I wonder if we could go up it though. I don't dare go down with no brakes, or barely any brakes. What I was going to do in this video is go to my new property, which a lot of you guys have been asking for updates on that thing, and I'll tell you right now, I've never built anything in my life. Never built a, well, not, oh, can't say I never built anything in my life. I mean a house. Never built a house in my life. And let me tell you, it's a process. Right now I'm waiting on people. Seems like that's always what happens. Just waiting on people. Right now I got an engineer designing the septic, and I'm waiting on the electrical company to get back to me to bring power to my site. But I was going to go up and just rip around, but then I thought, you know what, the farm is just as cool, and we got like 500 acres here, so might as well rip around here. Maybe next time, if you guys want to see more riding videos with this thing before I give it away, I'll go up there, but you let me know. Oh, we're digging in the mud. I don't have, well, I have one hand guard. I don't have gloves. Ooh, that is a giant hole. Oh. That's what I expected in the wintertime to fall through, but never did. I'd say we got a good ripper to go in the gravel pit. I was always too afraid in the winter because you can't see all the logs and stumps and stuff. And I did wreck an A-arm on a Skidoo Rev back in the day. Right here, I came up this jump, hit one of those rocks, completely flattened it. It was like a broken chicken wing. We had to limp it all the way home. I think we took bungees and we dragged it back home. In here. Right here's where I flipped over the other Grizzly. Somebody put in a Frisbee Golf. That's a proper looking one too. It's official. Hasn't even been struck by lightning yet. this thing rips. I love it. Kind of makes me not want to give it away, but I have to. I'm a man of my word, you know. So, yeah, comment down below and like the video, and I'll give it to one of you guys. One of you guys watching right now, this could be in your yard. Just imagine that. Now I'm kind of curious to see where the other Frisbee golf things are. We got a propane tank and some targets. I don't see another one. Let's try to do a little hill climb here. Yeah, this isn't much of a climb, but the old Grizzly's got it. These things are freaking rugged, man. These things will tackle anything. Where should I go? Where should I go? We might be able to do a little, I don't know what that is. It looks awfully brown. I was gonna say we could do a little bit of mudding, but let's see, is this open over here? It isn't, but it is. You know what? Let's just hammer through it. Two-wheel drive, chewing right through it. No hesitation. What an animal. Where's that other spot? We might as well go through it. Oh yeah. Oh, that ain't nothing. That ain't nothing. Guess we gotta find a soupier spot. This looks pretty good. Oh, that's good. That is good stuff. Whoever gets this thing, man, they're gonna love it. One thing I gotta do, I was telling you earlier, I gotta bring a Ride More hat to my nephews. Now, I'm not gonna show you where they live, but that's on my goal list today. Whoa, car coming. It's just a Prius though. We're going about the same speed, now they're slowing down. Probably gonna yell at me a little bit. No, okay. Just watching out for the washboards, that's all. Up the hill, no problem. Man, what an animal. I got one more spot I want to go to before I go drop the hat off to my nephews. You guys probably remember this from the sledding days, which was not too long ago, actually. Might look a little different on a four-wheeler. I hear there's a Sasquatch in these woods. gotta find them. Something sounds like it's rubbing. Hang on, let's take a break here. We got all our air in the tires. Oh yeah, we're good. Man, it's nice to be back on the four-wheeler, I gotta say. We are not gonna break in time. Whoa. Wow, that got all plugged up. 2,000 likes, and I'll go through that giant mud pit right there. Right through the whole thing. Whoops, gotta go this way. I'm going to show you the hat. I don't sell them. Actually, I was trying to get them on the website back when, but I stopped doing t-shirts, I stopped doing hats. But here it is. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro, but Ride More hats. This is a brand new one. My nephew's been really wanting one, so I'm going to go hand it to him right now. Alright, successfully dropped the hat off, and now I guess I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching, friends. Make sure to like and comment down below and win this thing. Wow, wait, hold on a second. Look at that sunset right there. Sunset on the farm.